Hello, in this video, we will look at a case study on determining leap years. A year is a leap year if it's divisible by 4, but not by 100, or it is divisible by 400. A leap year has 366 days. The February of leap year has 29 days. You can use the following Boolean expressions to determine whether a year is leap year. Year is divisible by 4. Year is not divisible by 100. Or year is divisible by 400. So we can combine all together is this one expression that evaluates to true or false. So year is divisible by 4, and year is not divisible by 100, or year is divisible by 400. So this is the test program. We're going to prompt the user to enter a year as integer. And now we're going to test this is year is divisible by 4, but year is not divisible by 100. Or, so this is the line continuation to the next line. And so this is here. Now, sometimes you have to use it and sometimes you don't. It depends on your situation here. So here's the operator. And if you don't have it, and I think you'll get an error. So let's try it here. See, that something is not right. So you have to have this right here. Oh, this is the and right here, and. So I'm going to now try to run it this way here. Oh, so something's right here. And so you have to use the line continuation. So this is correct. That is all for this case study on determining leap years. See you on the next video.